Oh, nice speck. Yes, sir. That's a good trout.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to Fin Reaper Outdoors. I wasn't expecting to fish today. It was supposed to rain all day, and I wake up and it's sunny and 80, so the weatherman got that wrong. So I am switching gears a little bit out in Bon Secour to try to catch some trout and redfish. So stick around, see if we can hook some.
Well, it is crazy warm out today, like 80 degrees. Sunny, it's hot. Would not be surprised if we don't see our first gator of the year today. Wouldn't surprise me a bit. Holy cow. What we got out here? Dolphins? Yeah, we got some action going on out here. I don't know if those, yeah, we got some dolphins out here that are just tearing it up after something, so we better motor out here and get after it. Some dolphins and some birds all blowing up on something. We got dolphins, pelicans, and loons. Must mean something's out here. There's a bump. There's something. Oh, nice speck. Yes, sir. That's a good trout. That is a good trout. Finally got us a keeper trout. Finally. I'm beginning to wonder if my trout skills even existed.
Finally got us a keeper trout here. Pretty nice fish. He's got to be 15. He is almost 18, so yeah, nice trout. He's gonna go home, be a taco. Pretty nice fish. We'll take that all day long. So they get this yellow in their mouth from eating shrimp. There's like some type of chemical in the shrimp that makes their mouths yellow, so they call them mustard mouths sometimes. So pretty nice fish.
There's a fish. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Look out, fish. I would think so. Redfish, I think. Yeah, redfish. Nice slot red. Yep, nice slot red. That's what we're after. We'll take a redfish. Let's see here. Yeah, I think, oh, look out. Easy fish. We'll see. I think he's going to be 16. Get a quick measurement on him before I mess with him too much. Oh yeah, he's gonna be 16 all day long. He's actually 17. All right, here we go. Yeah, he's almost 18. Pretty nice fish. He's got some really nice blue on his tail there. Heck yeah, that's a good fish. Pretty nice. He absolutely drilled that thing. With this wind, I was having to work it really fast, and he absolutely smoked it. That's it for me today, folks. I'm back at the house. Only ended up with the 2 keeper fish today, so not as good as I was hoping for, but hey, at least I got them. Let's take a look at them real quick. So both these fish are just right at 17 inches. So pretty good fish. We'll take it. I'm gonna try to get these fish clean before it gets dark. I got about probably 10 minutes, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and we'll see you next time.